What's up guys, back with another video, updated video. Today I'm doing these lights, marker lights. You can see I got the big old lights, dark tints on the window. We got one installed up there. You see it. You see it. It looks better than that small factory ones. I got 4 more to do, and show you how to get these mounted. Let's get it. All right, y'all. So these are the old style lights that come on the Mack factory. We're replacing these. There's those down there, and I'll show you how to do it. First, twist this off. Got the little connector right here. Inside the connector, you pry up on this, take this off, comes off, and you got two, what is it, T27, T30 bolts. Well, this one's different. It's 2 of these. It was on the other side. I guess somebody put this one here. Yeah. So remove this, and this comes out. The whole thing comes out. Let me see if I can do it with one hand. Took it off. Let's connect it from there. You need 2 hands for this. And from here. Then this comes off. See, it's one piece. Now we take all this. See guys, took that off, took the second piece off, 2 bolts, one holding it here, one here, one up here. Then what you do is you peel this off, grab an end, lift it off. The new one comes with a bigger size, so that's why I'm removing it. Get this thing through here. Kind of hard. Now, for the new one, since the new one's slightly bigger, we're gonna have to make a mock up the new one. You guys will see later in the video. We're gonna make like a hole about like right here, and this one just stays as an old one. We'll cover this up. I use this hole right here too. So we use this one and then make our secondary hole right here. All right, and then we're gonna cut this off and put the new heat shrink connector on. Get it. As you can see guys, it is all the same process. You remove the light first, you disconnect it, you lift up on that, and then you got the 2 bolts down there. Take that off. Now we got the finished product right there. We got 1, 2, 3, and the 4th one that's covered by all that stuff right there. Be back with y'all. Let's get it. All right guys, updated video. We drilled the hole in there. Already measured the light, big ass light. Now I'm gonna just make the hole bigger for this middle hole to fit those 2 into here and connect them. All right, here's the update. Got all the other lights installed. Working on this last one. I'll put some what's it called, water adhesive to get the water out. And where I screwed in, I made a hole. This. For the bolt so that no water goes in, and we're finishing it up. I'll show you guys the finished product. Finished product, guys.